Hey guys, I am recording the first video of must-haves for Christmas. This video is only for Angry Bird lovers or people with Angry Bird lovers in their family. I don't know why I can't pronounce lovers. Okay, now whatever. So, first I will show you the very nice Angry Bird refrigerator magnets. It includes the every bird that was released in the time of it, so up to the green boomerang. You can get this from angrybirds.com. It also comes with a bunch more. It's pretty nice. You can make your own level. But yeah. So basically, they stick, and on the back there are two giant magnets that you can use to stick to the refrigerator. So, and it comes with this nice level background, as you can see. Okay, so now moving on to probably the best part. If the camera would just pan over. Oh, wait, Little Red, stop fighting with Pig. Yes, these are mini Angry Bird plushes. I only have these two. I got them from Dave & Buster's. Sorry for that weird silence. I thought my camera just stopped. I got these from Dave & Buster's. They're only like 700 tickets. I went there yesterday, my birthday party. They're very nice, actually. They are so detailed. Yeah, you can pretend to fight. Let's get them out of the way. We can show Big Blackbird. Oh, ooh. That was not nice. So okay, so my mom is talking about something on the phone, sorry. So this one is very nice. It got the yellow thing, all black. Looks just like the thing, and you can. Ooh, also it does this. Can't hear that. It's talking. Talks really well. It just does the speech from the game. I love that game. I don't know why. This is not I promise you guys, this is in no way a product endorsement of any kind. I am not a YouTube partner and therefore have no access to any of the software necessary to get paid for this stuff. So, show my face. Oh, camera can't see me. Okay. I've been saying that a lot. Wires in my face. It's just looking away because I'm so horrible. Afro. God, I need to close that shade. Well, I look like. What the heck? It's making me like dark and. What the heck? Look at that. The power of light. Really? Okay. Bye, guys. Wait, there are some other items that I can recommend to buy. There is a, you know that hacky sack game where you throw the hacky sacks into the things and get points. They have one of those with Angry Birds, and these are gonna. This item is going to be flying off the shelves this year. They're already out of stock in Toys R Us, so you better run over and get some. Get one. They restock every Tuesday or so. I don't know, but they have real Angry Bird level maker that you can build up using these building blocks. They come with pigs and they come with birds. Go out and buy those. You're not gonna have a lot of time. Okay, thanks guys. Bye. Tell your friends, subscribe, and thumbs up on this video. Okay, bye.